Happier Camper HC1 trailer. Small, stylish, and built for adventure. Meet the Happier Camper HC1, a small, retro-style travel trailer that's perfect for anyone who loves adventure with comfort. Its lightweight design, made from a strong fiberglass shell, makes it super easy to tow with almost any car, even a compact one. Weighing just 100 pounds, it's ideal for road trips, camping, or spontaneous weekend getaways. What really makes the HC1 special is its flexible interior. Huga is a strong and stylish tiny home made from solid concrete, built to handle almost anything: hurricanes, earthquakes, and even break-ins. But once you step inside, it feels nothing like a bunker. With 45 square meters of thoughtfully designed space, it includes a cozy bedroom, a fully functional kitchen, a modern bathroom, a combined living and dining area, and even a small space to relax. Despite its compact size, it offers everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle. What makes Huga even more amazing is how quickly it can be set up. The base model can be assembled in just one day and costs around $75,000. It's also expandable if you need more room later on. Huga isn't just about innovative housing. It's part of a bigger mission to help solve the global housing crisis by offering safe, affordable, and comfortable homes to people all over the world. Insane Impact Max, the ultimate mobile LED screen trailer. The Insane Impact Max is an amazing mobile screen trailer designed to make your event unforgettable. It features a huge 17x10 square foot LED screen that shows bright, clear, high-quality images and videos, perfect for concerts, sports, festivals, or any big gathering. The screen is weatherproof, so whether it's sunny, rainy, or windy, you can keep your show going without any worries. This trailer also has a powerful generator that supplies all the energy needed to run the screen and other equipment smoothly. One of the best things about the Insane Impact Max is how easy it is to use. You can tow it to any location and have it set up and ready in just minutes. Plus, the screen can be controlled remotely, which means you can change what's showing from anywhere using your phone or computer. This gives you full control to update your content on the fly and keep your audience engaged. Kamaz 43118. 43118 is a tough and powerful truck built to handle the harshest environments on Earth. Whether it's icy roads, muddy trails, or sandy deserts, this 6x6 all-terrain vehicle is ready for the challenge. It's powered by a strong 260 horsepower turbo diesel engine and built on a reinforced chassis with high ground clearance and locking differentials, making it perfect for off-road adventures. With the ability to carry over 10 tons of cargo, it's trusted for military, industrial, and expedition work around the world. The cabin is simple but practical, built to survive extreme conditions while still offering basic comfort for long drives. What makes it even more exciting is that many adventure lovers and overlanders convert the Kamaz 43118 into rugged off-grid motorhomes. It's a top choice for those who want to explore remote places without limits. The starting price is around $70,000, depending on the condition and features. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers strength, durability, and total freedom off the grid, the Kamaz 43118 is ready to go wherever your journey takes you. No roads required. Living Vehicle HD30, the ultimate off-grid luxury trailer. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a top-quality travel trailer made for people who want to live comfortably and sustainably away from the usual power and water hookups. It's designed with both style and smart technology, giving you a modern, cozy home on wheels. Built tough with durable materials, this trailer has plenty of space inside, including a comfy living room, a full kitchen, a queen-size bedroom, and a bathroom. Every part of the HD30 is made to be super efficient and comfortable, so you can enjoy your trips without compromise. What makes it stand out is its powerful solar panels and large water tanks, allowing you to stay off the grid for days or even weeks without needing to plug in. This means you can explore remote places freely without worrying about running out of power or water. The Living Vehicle HD30 is perfect for adventurers who want the freedom to travel anywhere, but still want the comforts of home. Cedar Shed Industries offers clever buildings that are a mix between sheds and garden cabins. These longhouse kits start at about 6.7 square meters and cost around $5,000. While they're not the cheapest option, their design makes them super easy to build. The kits come with pre-made parts, kind of like a big construction set, so you don't need special carpentry skills to put them together. This makes building your own space simple and fun. What's cool is that you can upgrade your longhouse over time, like changing fixed windows to ones that open for fresh air. Made from beautiful western red cedar wood, these cabins look warm and natural, blending perfectly with any outdoor space. Whether you want a cozy workspace, a quiet hangout, or extra storage, these kits give you a stylish and flexible solution. Loom Traveler. The Loom Traveler is a luxury caravan made for people who want to explore the world in comfort and style. Its sleek aluminum body gives it a modern, elegant look while also making it strong and durable. Inside, it's filled with high-end materials like leather, wool felt, and teak wood, creating a cozy, warm feeling wherever you go. Designed with care and attention to detail, this caravan offers a smooth blend of beauty and function. The Loom Traveler comes in different models, all featuring roomy interiors, soft and comfy beds, and smart storage options. One of its standout features is the outdoor kitchen, Maverick Vinales MV12, inside the racer's custom motorhome. Get ready to explore the amazing MV12 motorhome, the personal home on wheels of MotoGP rider Maverick Vinales. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving sanctuary that follows him around the world during his intense racing season. From the outside, it looks sleek and stylish, but it's the inside that truly impresses. Designed to fit Maverick's lifestyle, the MV12 is filled with comfort, smart features, and personal touches that make it feel like home. Every corner is carefully planned to help him relax, stay focused, and enjoy life off the track. Whether he's resting before a big race or spending quiet time with his team, this motorhome gives him everything he needs. The blend of luxury, function, and racing spirit makes the MV12 something truly special. It's not just about speed on the track, it's about living well between races too. Come with us for a behind-the-scenes look at how Maverick Vinales travels in style and see why the MV12 is more than just a vehicle. It's a key part of his racing journey. If you love motorsports, comfort, and cool designs, you won't want to miss this. Movable Roots Jojo Bean Series. The Movable Roots Jojo Bean Series is a fresh and exciting way to bring plants into your home or workspace. These plant pots have a smart, movable design that lets you easily shift your plants around to fit your style or space. Whether you want to brighten up your desk, windowsill, or any corner, these pots add a touch of nature and style wherever they go. They are perfect for beginners and plant lovers alike because they make growing small plants or herbs super simple and enjoyable. The Jojo Bean series combines beautiful design with practical use, helping you care for your plants without any fuss. With these pots, you can create a green, peaceful vibe that instantly makes your space feel warmer and more welcoming. OKA 6x6 Motorhome, tough on the outside, comfy on the inside. The OKA 6x6 motorhome is built for serious adventurers who want to go off-road without giving up the comforts of home. With its strong six-wheel drive system, this beast can handle rough trails, steep mountains, and sandy deserts like a pro. It's made for the wild, offering amazing grip and balance in all kinds of conditions. But while it's tough on the outside, the inside is a whole different story. Step in and you'll find a cozy and well-designed living space, complete with a comfortable bed, a small but smart kitchen, and a compact bathroom. Everything is made to help you feel right at home, no matter where you park. The interior uses quality materials and clever design to make the most of the space, and the strong build ensures it can handle rough environments while keeping you safe and comfortable.